Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you have enjoyed the first video that I posted. If you haven't seen it yet, here's a link. Today I'm going to be talking about when to not clean out your closet. Every time spring or autumn comes around, I get this sudden urge to reinvent myself. I think it has a lot to do with there's change in the air, and that makes you want to better yourself in some sort of way. But what I've found is that I'm often very excited about it in the beginning, and then a few weeks or months down the line, or say that it's spring season and I'm cleaning out spring stuff, when the next year comes, I'm like, where did this jacket go? Or where did these shoes go? I want to wear them, and yet past me thought it was a good idea to donate them or sell them. And it's really annoying. So whilst cleaning out your closet can feel purposeful, wasting clothes and money isn't. Of course, getting rid of stuff that doesn't fit or it's broken, that makes sense. But if you find yourself cleaning out clothes a little bit too often, and you shop a lot and you feel a little bit lost about what makes certain items not feel like you anymore, then keep watching. Number one, don't do it because you're bored. I know that I do not make the best decisions when I'm bored. I often act emotionally rather than rationally. And I think just taking a breather, take a step back, think about why you're doing it, that itself is a good first step. Cleaning out your closet on a whim can also lead to impulsive decisions, and you may risk getting rid of stuff that you actually do wear. So let's take an example. You feel like you're a very well-worn pair of jeans that you own, right? They're not that exciting, but they fit you quite well, and you've worn them. You do wear them from time to time, and they're also quite comfortable. But with that said, they're not this cool fashion statement. So when you're cleaning out your closet and you're bored, you may think, this doesn't translate into this fun new style I'm trying to reinvent myself into having. And so you get rid of them. But then you're there on a Monday morning and you're rummaging through your closet, trying to figure out what to wear, and you got rid of those jeans. So don't do it when you're bored. If you're logical and practical about your closet clean out, you're going to make a lot better decisions. Don't do it as an excuse to go shopping. You know that saying, which is out with the old, in with the new? I feel like this is quite a dangerous quote or statement for us who are, how can I put this gently, keen to shop. Believe me, I have been there. I am inclined to shop. I have not the best shopping past. I have spent a lot of money and time on clothes that I haven't really loved as they should be loved. And so I think part of that reason is because I was a little bit too keen to clean out my closet and want to reinvent myself. And I just want to explain briefly why cleaning out my closet was a trigger point for me. The whole point of cleaning out my closet has been to find faults in items which are entirely good enough. It's about identifying stuff which doesn't fit into my style anymore. And this in itself is a key part in motivating myself to go shopping. And if you can relate to this, then maybe this is a sign that you should avoid cleaning out your closet as well. So let's say you've listened to all of my tips and you're like, Louise, I just really want to clean up my closet. Then sure, it's your life, your decision, do it. So if you really, really, really want to clean out your closet, here's my advice. Don't throw stuff away right away. Put the stuff you don't really necessarily want to keep anymore in a storage box or in a bag or suitcase someplace. Store it away for a while. right? And then after some time, you let it marinate, you can come back. And once you come back, you might find that you've actually wanted to wear the item, and you'll be so glad that you didn't throw it away right away. Because you know that when it's gone, it's gone. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure to share it with a friend or subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. I will be posting once a week in the future, and I'll also be getting one of those fancy mics so that the sound gets a little bit better. Let me know what you would like me to talk about. I'm going to try and stay on topic as much as I can with fashion sustainability, how to shop less, and how to take care of your clothes. You can also follow me on Instagram at Louise Wears, or you can visit my website louisewears.com to download one of my style guides or ebooks, if you will.